Hogue is known for making some of the best gun grips money can buy. Using this expertise, they've developed a line of knives that is both comfortable in hand and built to perform beyond the capabilities of run-of-the-mill pocket knives. This is the Hogue Deka. Its slim design and unique locking mechanism make it a great knife for everyday carry and tactical use. It features Hogue's Able Lock system that utilizes a lock bar for easy one-handed opening and closing. Aside from its incredible lock mechanism, the Deka features textured G-Mascus or G10 handles, which give the knife a unique look and feel, while providing ample grip during use. This knife also features a premium CPM 20CV blade measuring in at 3.25 inches and an overall length of 7.5 inches. It also features a two-way reversible pocket clip. If you haven't added a Hogue knife to your EDC rotation, this is well worth the investment. Let us know in the comments if you own a Hogue knife and what you think of it. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.